The quality of your life is directly tied to the quality of your brain function. And guess what? You can turn your brain on every single morning. Hi, I'm Dr. Mancini, and today we're going to talk about why integrating a morning ritual of brain and body activation can dramatically improve your day. Now, all of your experiences, what you see, what you hear, what you smell, what you taste, what you feel, and even how you connect with others are filtered through one thing, your brain. And the truth is, when your brain is fully activated, the colors in life are brighter, sounds are richer, foods taste better, and even a simple hug or kind words, they land deeper. And that's not just poetic, it's neuroscience. But when your brain is underactive, everything dims. It's like turning the volume down on life. So, how do we light it up? The most powerful way I have found over decades of clinical experience is this. Start your day with a short, intentional routine that moves your body and syncs it with your breath. See, I do this every morning. It's a non-negotiable. For me, I have a ritual combining the ancient body technologies of Tai Chi, Qigong, and yoga. These practices have lasted millennia for a reason. We now understand through science that they support longevity because they activate the body and the brain. When I used to train for full contact fighting, these breath and body practices was how I prepared for the ring. Today, I use it to prepare for life. Now, do you have to use these special movements that I do? Absolutely not. Any kind of movement along with deep breathing that syncs with that movement will give you a very similar benefit. So, let's break down how movement synced with breath can have a powerful activation on the body and the brain. And we're going to break this down into 3 ways. Number 1, motor activation equals brain stimulation. See, every time you move your body, you activate something called the motor strip in your brain. Think of it like flipping on a switch. I mean, have you ever seen a spinning top that lights up when it's spinning and it dims when it slows down? Well, that's your brain on movement. When it's lit up, your senses sharpen, colors look richer, music sound more vibrant, food tastes amazing, and a simple touch feels more alive. But when your brain dims from an activity, the world can feel flat, dull, and gray. Number 2, movement equals circulation equals oxygen. See, the second way movement helps is through circulation. When you move, you pump oxygen-rich, nutrient-dense blood flow through the body, especially to the brain. This is critical because the life of your cells and therefore the life of your brain depends on 2 things. How much oxygen those cells have, and how well that oxygen moves through your body and into your brain. Think of the morning movement as turning on an engine. You don't take your car on the freeway without warming it up first, and the same thing goes here. We're warming up your brain so your mental focus, emotional regulation, and creativity are firing on all cylinders. And number 3, sensory activation through the body, which is the 3rd way we activate the brain, which is through sensory input. That's touch, temperature, vibration, and pressure. You can do this at home through practices like self-massage, acupressure, tapping, or even reflexology. Now, in our clinic, we use biomedically based acupuncture, which is a stronger activator of the sensory system. It sends powerful signals up into the brain, stimulating neural pathways and driving massive amount of blood flow into those specific regions of the brain. It's like a neural tune-up, but you don't need needles to get started. So here's what I want you to remember. Every morning, give yourself a minimum of 10 to 20 minutes to sync up your breath with movement and notice how it flips the switch and lights up your brain. And when you do, not only does your day change, but so does all your experiences in life and the people you interact with. So let's get your brain lit up. Starting tomorrow morning, start with a 10 to 20 minute practice that consists of movement synced with deep breathing, and notice how it shifts the quality of your day.